welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you are here to plan with me this week. We are going to be working on the dates of the 29th to the 5th. The best time ever to barbecue and look at fireworks. It's the 4th of July spread. These are some of the books that I'm going to be working with, and I will show you some of the pages that I will be taking out, okay? And let's get started. Well, my favorite books ever is the LOL, so we have to do a spread with them, okay? So we are going to start with getting some spreads out here. I hope today find you very well, and I hope you have your sticker books out and your planner book out. Any planner books that you are working on, let me know what planner book are you working in the comments below. I'm using, this came out of here. And I'm going to use my, going to put this, let me see. I'm going to use this here. Mostly I'm going to be working out of the LOL book. If I do anything extra, I would show you what book I took the stickers out of, okay? On my Instagram page, leave a picture of your spread. I would love to see your work. Ooh, that strawberry look really good, don't it? Ooh, I just love it. That is some good stuff right there. And I am going to use this book right here. And I am going to put her here. I'm going to put this down here because I got to put working at the top because I'm going to have to work that day. What a bummer. And I'm going to put USA on here. I like this flower, so I'm going to put that there too. I'm grabbing stuff out of these two books right now. And I'm going to grab this sticker, and I'm going to put this one down here. Yeah, that looks good. I put some fireworks on that. That looks good. It's great to use different books to make your layout. I'm going to use my LOL girl. I am going to put the LOL girl right about here. She is so pretty. I just love her. And these little fireworks things here, and also this sticker here came out of this book here. And if you want any more fireworks, it's at the back of the page. Let me show you. right here if you want any more fireworks, which I might be using out of this book here. So it's good to have different books. And like I said, out of here you could get your Christmas. It got all the decorations and stuff. I took this here and because I needed some color right there for the 4th of July. So it's very good to utilize your books here. And so we're gonna do that. And I think I'm gonna get her some glasses. She looked like she needed her some glasses right about there. Isn't that cute? Okay, and let's put some more words on here. It says, "You young, wild, and free." Yes, she is. Gonna put that right there. And I know I'm gonna be doing some shopping lists and everything too. So let me see here. I think I'm gonna put that there. So I can write out what all I'm gonna do. And let me see. On this page here, this will go good over here. So let me move this out the way. Work right here. Put this sticker down. Oh, put it correctly. So let me know what you're working on and the books that you are taking your stickers out of, and what book did you like to playing with? Do you like vertical or horizontal? Do you like the mini? Skinny mini. Tell me what book you like to work out of. And do you prefer me to talk through the tutorial? I mean the spread here, or would you like for me to play the music? I like a little both. Okay. Right now I'm just working a lot out of the LOL book. And gonna get a little fireworks going on out of the sticker book. Put some there. I love the ice cream. A lot of people don't like fireworks because it makes so much noise in it. But I love fireworks. It's like the best. And I love the cookout. Me and my family, we used to always cook out and everything. We might still grill, but of course we can't have a big family gathering. So that's a little bummer there. But we're gonna make it work. And let me see. I know because I'm talking about it's gonna be a bummer. Getting ready for work come the following week. I know I'm gonna be sitting at home doing nothing. So I'm gonna put this little lady there. She comes from the LOL collection. I love the LOL collection. It's so pretty. Oh, sorry about the noise. It is so nice. So I am going to take this out of the other book here and put this here. And I'm going to, let me see. Give me some ice cream going on. It's so hot in the summertime. I always eat a lot of popsicles. And we usually go swimming and everything, but not doing that this year. With everything going on, I'm not. We supposed to have went on a cruise this year. So I guess I won't be using my bathing suit at all. It's so sad that we have this happening to us. We can't get out. We can't do the traveling that we all wanted to do and look forward to every year around this time. Summertime is the best part of the year, right? It might be hot, but it always was our time of the year to get out and visit and travel. I'm going to put this here. This week I got a lot to write down. So I have to leave a lot of space. Ooh, that's cricket. Let's get this together. A little bit, right? The older you get, I tell you, your eyeballs and your hands just don't want to be steady. So a lot of my stuff is cricket, but it still get the job done. You know what I mean? Put a sticker there. And this right here, these here comes out of the party book. And I'm going to use a couple of these stickers out of here also. I don't want to put down. Because this week here is a party. I'm going to get another one and put that right here. I'm going to still do my grilling. And let me put this down here. Just my favorite thing. I love fireworks, so can't get enough of those. Let me see. I'm pretty sure I saw one. Oh yeah, here go one. I'm going to put this here. Boom, boom, boom. I even got a big one. Let me put that one down. We are going to put that one here. Tell me below, do you like to look at the fireworks? And what do you do at the 4th of July? Or just the 4th of July weekend? Well, this whole weekend, it's been a while since it's been actually on the weekend for me. I'm going to put this here. I hope you all doing well. Sad news for me. It's my mother-in-law. She still is in the hospital. Unfortunately, she caught the virus. And she's trying to make we got hope and prayer going out for her. They still have her on a breathing, helping her breathe. So I hope and pray all will work out, that she could come home in good health soon. So I hope you all are very healthy and safe. Try not to go out too much, okay? I'm not going to put too much up, more down on that list here. And I am going to put my book back together. Put my page back in my book here. I hope you guys like it. Like I said, I didn't fill too much up this week because I am going to be writing in it. There you go. And I will show you my planner lineup soon. Follow me on Instagram. I post my layouts there. And show me your work. Thanks for planning with me.